Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn how to configure payment failed emails because in our e-commerce portal so many orders every day and some orders failed. So we need what a reason of the time what occurred that's reason order is failed. So Magento provide order failed case notification for via email. So we are very important. What's the reason? Customer faulty or our network issue or Magento store issue? What happened? That's the reason transaction is failed. So we are just configure and we got a notification via email. We got an email the time order is failed, right? So we are go to store and here is configuration section, right? Inside the sales here is option is checkout, right? And you see this is last one is failed payment failed emails, right? So here is we are set, right? Section is here, general form, sales presentation or support or customer, anyone you need choose everyone. So sales maybe most of time, right here is payment failed email sender, right? Second one, payment failed email receiver. So you can choose general option also, or you can choose sales representation because this is part of sales. So many times, most of developers or most of businessmen choose sales because every query handle regarding sales, manage sales team, right? And payment failed template choose here. Payment failed default, or you can add go to marketing, right? And you can choose custom. You can your custom payment field this one, load and choose here any name here, custom payment field, right? And save here. You can change something content maybe here as per your business need, right? So save this, right guys? And this is refresh because we are changed some, right? Click on here is sales. This is sales, right? So this is choose custom field, right? And here is same payment copy. You can add anything info@business.com, or you can BCC or separate email or VCC you choose as per your requirement, right? So if that any order is failed, Magento automatically send an email, right? On this email ID you can enter here. You can comma separate it, you can add multiple more, you can add so many type of things, right? You can again separate and you can add more emails. So this is not specific for only one, you can add more, one and more emails also here, right? So this is very important thing because you don't lose your business, right? So this is a very important thing, but we need install SMTP or any mail server in your server, right? Mail is properly working. So guys, this is very much in this video. Please don't forget for subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.